Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make hard tacos. First, let's prepare our taco shells. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange about 12 hard taco shells directly on an oven rack. Bake them for 5 to 7 minutes until they are perfectly crisp. If you're in a hurry, you can also microwave a few shells for about 30 seconds to warm them up quickly. This simple step ensures your tacos have that satisfying crunch. Next, let's create a delicious filling for our tacos. Brown 1 pound of ground beef or turkey in a large skillet over medium heat until it's fully cooked through. Make sure to drain any excess fat to keep your tacos from being greasy. Then, stir in 1 packet of your favorite taco seasoning along with 3/4 cup of water. Let this mixture simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld and the sauce to thicken nicely. Now for the fun part, assembling your hard tacos. Carefully hold a warm taco shell open with one hand. Using a spoon, generously fill each shell with about 2 to 3 tablespoons of your savory seasoned meat. Once filled, arrange the tacos upright on a serving platter or a taco holder. This method makes it easy to prepare about 12 delicious tacos, perfect for feeding your family or a small gathering. Finally, it's time for the toppings. Set out a variety of fresh ingredients like shredded lettuce, diced tomatoes, and shredded cheddar cheese. Don't forget the creamy sour cream, zesty salsa, and rich guacamole to complete the experience. Encourage everyone to customize their own hard tacos with their favorite combinations. Serve them immediately to enjoy that perfect crunchy shell and warm, flavorful filling. Enjoy your easy homemade hard tacos.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.